Hey YouTube, Merry Christmas. Got my mail here. Okay, hey. Okay, let me get inside. This is from my job. The girls we had to the Pollyanna where they write stuff what they want to give you. Okay, sorry, it's a hot mess. So she gave me a card. Merry Christmas. Okay, I'm gonna read it inside. I got some PJs. Oh, gee. See? Pajamas. Yeah, pink. One of my favorite colors. Yes, God, honey. And what else she had got me? Got a Hello Kitty ornament for the Christmas tree. Yay! And got some Hello Kitty Band-Aids if I get hurt. And she got me a Hello Kitty character from Hello Kitty. And I got a scratch-off ticket too she gave me. Man, I gotta scratch that thing off. I may be a millionaire. And let me hurry up for the camera unrolling. And I got a big Hello Kitty. Look at me as Hello Kitty. Look at the Hello Kitty teddy bear. That's so cute. Yes, girl, but thank you to the Holiday Inn where I work at for the Christmas party they do every year. And we get some nice gifts. So, yes, that's where I got that from. Okay, y'all. And I got these from my neighbor. She makes mittens. She knits. Y'all know I crochet sometimes, but I haven't been on here doing it. But, yep, this is what she made. The variegated one and the turquoise and white. So, yes, y'all. Have a nice day. I hope you have a good holidays. Merry Christmas. Woo-woo.